Hello everyone, this is Rover Drives. Today we're going for a drive in the 2021 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HST. It's with a twin turbo 3-liter inline 6 with 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. And it also has a mild hybrid system. Here's your key fob for this car, normal Range Rover key fob, nothing crazy there. You have nice metal shift paddles in the interior. You have a suede steering wheel. You have that 2-screen setup that a lot of Land Rover products have. A little screen up top. Touchscreen. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with camera modes as well. You have a 360-degree camera system. You can adjust your AC settings over here. If you push these AC dials, you can turn on ventilated seats or heated seats. You just have to go left to right. Not sure how I feel about that. I think it's overcomplicates the step a little bit. Why not just have separate buttons? But hey, it is what it is. If you hit vehicle here, you can change your modes. You got, comfort, dynamic, other things like that. Press seats, and then you could just turn on heated seats from there too. Okay, pretty cool. Here's your shifter. It's also suede. Put the car in reverse. You have a backup camera right there. I guess the 360 camera doesn't show up when you put it in reverse like that. You can also change your modes with this dial: comfort, grass, mud ruts, sand, dynamic mode as well. You have a Meridian sound system. I really like those shift paddles. They're high quality. And you also have heated rear seats. Or wait, let's double check that. Yep, you do. You just have to push the button just like you do up front. And you also have like 5-volt charging port things back here. Or never mind, it's like, yeah, USB inputs if you want to charge your devices. You can also unlock or lock the car from the back seats. Not sure if that's like something I'd want to give to like rear passengers, because they could just be unlocking and locking the car all the time, especially if you got kids back there. It's a good looking SUV. You have red giant brake calipers. Nice Range Rover cargo mat in the back. Tail lights look cool. I really like this body style of Range Rovers. They look cool. You have black wheels. But yeah, it's a good looking SUV for sure. All right, let's go for that drive. And you also have a head-up display, if you can see up there. It's nice. So I guess to use the shift paddles, you have to put it in sport mode with the shifter, because the paddles weren't working when I just tried them in drive. It's pretty quick. Seats are pretty comfortable. They are a bit bolstered for sportiness though. They are comfortable, but yeah, they do feel more on the sportier side than like plush, to be honest. feels pretty stable around this corner. Pretty nice. Road noise is not too bad. It's pretty insulated in this cabin, which I like as well. As I said, I really like these shift paddles. I love when cars have like high-end, high quality shift paddle, not like cheap plastic ones. It feels a lot better. Like, I love metal shift paddles. Also, like, it's a cool little detail how it's like not just a sticker. Like the minus and plus symbols are not just stickers on the paddles or like emblems, but it's actually like cut out of the paddle. It's nice. Yeah, it feels pretty good. It's a nice SUV right here. Let's try a one-hand U-turn. Pretty nice. I like the steering, it's nicely weighted. But the thing with these sway shift paddles, like over time, they will get worn. Like this is a pretty worn steering wheel. I mean, the car has 51,000 miles. Especially if, like, you know, you don't keep your hands clean when you drive, you can get your suede steering wheel worn really fast. Like this is like the material's just really like dried out, and you can feel that. Even the shifter, like with the suede steering wheel, you have to do really good maintenance on them if you don't want them to wear and feel really old after a while. And the lane keep assist is very intrusive. I don't like that. It's way too, I just turned it off. Like it just, even when I was pretty much centered in the lane, it keeps on like trying to change it and move me back, which I don't like. Yeah, you see the paddles don't work unless if you're in drive. You have to put it in sport mode. Overall, a pretty nice SUV. It looks pretty good. I don't know how the reliability is on this specific model. Leave any comments if you know more about this car. Materials are pretty good, except like that suede. I don't think a suede steering wheel in a car like this is the best idea, and even the suede gear shifter. But yeah, other than that, materials are decent. I do like these. I've always liked the steering wheel controls on Range Rovers. They're nice. Transmission shifts pretty well, even when you're in normal mode, or you could, you know, put it in sport mode and shift with the paddles, or use the shifter. That if you want to do that too, you do have that option as well. Yeah, pretty decent car overall. And yeah, handling's pretty good on this SUV. But anyways, let's wrap up the video by looking through the car a little bit more. I don't know if this is just unique to this car or not, but like the screen's kind of like gritty. I don't know if that happens over time with these or how it works, but yeah. There's like a dynamic eye mode, which you can do some setup. 4x4 ambient lights, that's kind of cool. And then there's your glove box release. You can release both of them, and you also, I guess you could play songs maybe with that. Doesn't look like there's like a DVD player or anything in here. The rear seats look pretty comfortable. They have suede in the seats, both front and back, and you also have a panoramic sunroof. Pretty cool. And you can open the sunroof too, of course. But yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Leave any requests for any videos that you might want to see. And thanks as always for watching Rover Drives. I'll catch you on the next one.